We are Motion. In a world that keeps innovating, we are there at the forefront. Our reach expands across multiple industries around the world, allowing us to be the leading advisor trusted by all our partners. It's easy to see why. We continually earn our place as the premier industrial solutions company, with a drive to deliver stakeholder value, energise our talent and provide the best customer experience. With over 200 locations, 12 distribution centres, 30 repair and service centres and over 600,000 products available within Australia, New Zealand and Asia Pacific, there are more choices unified by large-scale industry solutions. We form connections between agriculture, equipping over 30,000 parts for more than 3,600 makes and models. Food and beverage, providing food-grade solutions to bearings, lubrication and fluid transfer within a highly regulated industry. Mining, offering supplies that perform in the harshest condition, from coal to ore dust, water ingress and more. Manufacturing, delivering parts from bearings to motors to industrial supplies and fluid power controls. Quarry and cement, successfully operating in one of the most rugged and demanding industries. Wastewater, utilising our specialist design and engineering, manufacturing, repair and maintenance services. No matter your industry, we are here to support you. Join a team that keeps the world moving. This is Motion. More choices, more solutions. Partner with us today.